this is the story carpet. If you had your special as library, you would come here and Smiley would talk about what they're going to be doing today. And then you go out and check out your books.
Let's go explore the books.
Let's go explore the books. This right here is the nonfiction, those two shelves. And then over here
It's probably where we do like
this is where the nonfiction stuff about animals are. And then over here is some more nonfiction stuff. Literature. And then this is the biographies. If you're at the library, you could look at these. This is nonfiction books, fiction books, and then everybody books. These are the books that haven't been put in the shelf. And then over here, that section. This section is where the fiction books are. There are a lot of chapter books here. And then the everybody section is right here. This is where all the picture books are.
And they do have words.
And then over here is where you check out your books.
On this computer.
Yeah, okay.
And this is Miss Smiley.
Hi.
Cut.